Welcome to the next edition of Dortech Maintenance Limited's video. In this video, we are going to be evaluating a project recently undertaken in Gateshead to make a building safe. I'm delighted to have Dave Hercock, Dortech Maintenance's Maintenance Director, with us here today, who's going to talk us through some of the intricacies of the project and some of the things that were overcome from the start to the completion of the project. So, hi Dave. As Dortech Maintenance's Maintenance Director, what does your role actually entail?
So my role basically is making sure the smooth running of the company every day, getting in touch with clients, customers, helping them with any problems on a maintenance. It's not just glazing what we do building leaks, all aluminium windows, doors and curtain wall servicing. We also do fire surveys with fire engineers. So it's a broad range, it's not just glass replacement.
Fantastic. And whereabouts do you carry these projects out usually?
Anywhere from Milton Keynes to Newcastle, we're comfortable.
Fantastic. And what type of clients do you currently have?
We have a lot of universities, building management, property developers, just generally anybody what needs us help.
Fantastic. So in terms of this particular project in Gateshead, how did that come about?
This is a long-standing client, what we've known for a long time, and there was a glass fin what was broken at high level. I think it was about the 7th floor, and obviously they needed to make it safe for the public.
Got you. So obviously something like that falling from height is a major safety issue. So what sort of considerations, apart from the obvious, did you have when you were planning the project?
We obviously had to make sure the building management knew that we were coming. They had to apply for permits for the pavement closures so we could set up our access equipment and as crane.
Right, got you. And from the start to actually getting on site, how long did the planning process take?
About 2 weeks. So it was pretty quick because obviously they only wanted to make the glass safe. They didn't want it replacing, so we didn't have any lead times to get a new glass unit.
Right, fantastic. And in terms of the type of other parties you had to involve in the planning process and the people that you used in the project, can you talk to who they were and what their roles were in the project?
So we had a specialist crane company doing a crane survey, and it was a full lifting plan. So they issued all their RAMs, where the crane was going to be positioned, and then a truck mount company doing us access so we could elevate to the area, which also issued their RAMs, and we issued a full pack to the client.
Fantastic. And Dortech Maintenance were responsible for managing all of these other trades and supply chain partners?
Yes, they're all through us, yes.
Right, fantastic. So in terms of the work that you actually undertook on the day that you did the work, what did that look like? What was involved?
So we obviously turn up at site, secure the area, make sure the building manager knows we're there, make sure the AP for the crane knows where he's setting up as per his lifting plan, putting the truck mount in the correct position, making sure that there's no drain covers where he's going to be setting up on to potentially make the machine go over if not. And then we elevated to the area, attached the glass sucker, made sure the crane under tension, undid the bolts and securely lifted the fin down.
So the whole thing was made safe during the course of a day?
Yes, a morning, yeah.
Brilliant. And how was the project or the work handed over to the client?
So we made sure the area was cleaned, the crane left side, truck mount left side, then we checked the area for any fallen debris or anything like that, made sure the area is swept clean, removed the barriers, and then we handed over to the client with a sign-off sheet.
Fantastic.
If you have any issues with glazing maintenance, please just give us a call. We're always happy to help.